Okay guys, it's time to go to work. I'm going to show you my new ramp for my Tesla. It lifts it up about 5¼ inches, and those ramps can't be any bigger than what they are right now. Otherwise you wouldn't be able to slide them under the car. Anyways, we have a trailer wiring kit right here that we're going to install, so that when you put your brakes on or signal lights on, your brakes or your signal lights come on the trailer. Tail lights also, type stuff. Now this is actually for a Model Y, but it'll work for a Model 3 at least. I'm almost 99.9% certain it will. I mean, one of the main reasons Tesla is so successful is everything is the same for every car. So there's not a lot of parts. The fewer the parts, the better off you are. Okay, we're going to install that. But we also have a wiring kit here. This one right here. It is for this ARB Zero refrigerator right here. So this right here will pretty much be in the back of the car all the time, full of all kinds of drinks, whatever. But this car is going to be designed to go to the middle of Idaho, Salmon River Trail, for example. You'll be able to have a refrigerator, and let's just say you start getting low on your battery. The refrigerator doesn't have to be plugged in all the time. You know what I'm saying? You can have it plugged in, then unplug it, and then when you fire up the generator, it can run by the generator. You know what I'm saying? So let's figure, if you were to run that thing, depending on ambient temperature, of course, the temperature outside, but if it's cooler outside, it does not have to run that much. So it's going to be interesting, because it's going to be interesting to see what kind of power that takes away from your battery too. You know what I'm saying? It'll be a significant amount, probably. You know, when I say it's significant, I mean like 5 to 10% in a typical, say, 16-hour period, maybe. Who knows? Anyway, here we go. We're going to start on this. I'm not going to go step by step with you, but we will show you periodically a few finer points. But eTrailer is going to show me, I've got my computer set up here, they are going to show me how to take it apart. Anyways, we gotta go.